Hello and welcome. This is 30 Days Spoken Ma, Culture and Language Orientation. My name is Teto Oletutuma. This is day 3 in our 30 days program, of which we will continue to receive material including videos, audios, and PDF content that will help you internalize your language of choice. Today's lesson, we are first of all recording it inside a car for the sake of acoustics, yes. Secondly, this is the digital age, so anything work can be done wherever we find ourselves. So yes, pardon my style. This is the first time I'm doing a program like this, and for all honesty's sake, my biggest objective is, regardless of how or where you receive this content, you get a quality content, and you get content that will help you to grow your quest in learning to speak your language. So for today's video, we are going to talk about, from previous lesson, we saw the roots. Yesterday, we saw the Maasai roots from the Bible, and why I needed us to touch base, or sort of to examine and look keenly into the relationship with the nation of Israel, is because we have a lot of similarities, and some of these could also help us to be proud of ourselves, maybe, and now for how people are so much into Christianity. Maybe our culture has so many similarities to Christianity. So again, tomorrow we are going to see some of these similarities, but for today, I would wish us to follow them, come down into East Africa. And I will read from a book by a good friend of mine, Daniel Munge Njorira, Maasai Sociocultural Ethnography. So historically, the Maasai people originated from southeastern Sudan during the first half of the millennium AD, when the Ongamoma emerged from Lotukoma. These were dialects that were spoken in northern Africa. Yes, northern Africa. So maybe walitoka kule juu. Anyway, so us now, a majority of who we are now in East Africa are from the Lotukoma. He continues. The Maasai moved southward, following the route between the Dodos escarpment in the west and Lake Turkana in the east, hence leading them to the plains between Nyandarua Ranges and Mount Kilimanjaro. In 19th century, they majorly settled in Rift Valley and Mount Marsabit in Tanzania. They also settled in parts of Mount Elgon, Rift Valley region, Narok, Kajiado, Baringo, Laikipia, Nakuru, Nairobi, and Samburu counties in Kenya. They were the original human inhabitants of Nairobi region, and they never entertained strangers, including British during colonial era. In Tanzania, they settled in the northern part of the country, bordered in Kenya to the south, Mount Kilimanjaro region, Mount Meru, and Longido in Arusha. The Maasai people lived among other communities in East Africa, Kalenjin, and particularly the Sirikwa, who practiced pastoralism and little agriculture. That was how we came into East Africa. For tomorrow, we are going to look at the similarities between this nation, the nation of the Maasai, and the nation of Israel, by citing examples. One of today's audios as well is a folktale which has similarities in the theme, in the characters, actually, and in the moral lesson. So see you again tomorrow for more. Good day.